Everything RF. Top RF and microwave stories this week, January 1st to January 5th, 2024. Amphenol Corporation closes acquisition of Pictel. Innovative waveguide antennas for short-range and mid-range automotive radar applications. Anritsuo and Sony Semiconductor validate first non-terrestrial network, NTN, NB-IoT test case. Rohde & Schwarz to showcase test innovations for the automotive industry at CES 2024. Arenia's Spectron V6 Echo Spectrum Analyzer sets a new benchmark in real-time spectrum analysis. Israel Aerospace Industries to provide GPS anti-jamming solutions for military helicopters to the Republic of Korea. Malta proactively manages the radio spectrum with CRF-SR-Fi spectrum monitoring solutions. Talisman has developed GNSS antennas for Indiro Robotics' new lightweight, bulletproof robot platform. CML Micro completes acquisition of MWT, a leading MMIC and mmWave supplier in California. Rohde & Schwarz and Analog Devices introduce new automated test solution for WBMS production. Everything RF. Keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.